Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are back with my dogs again. The first video I uploaded was I accidentally ended it, and that I messed up on. And then the second video had a problem uploading whenever it tried to upload, it had a problem. I don't know what happened at all. Oh, you guys found a stick? You found the stick? The dog's found the stick. Absolutely love it. Don't know why. As you can see, Cooper's all the way over there trying to get it. So right now we're just gonna hang out and chill with the dogs. And for some reason they love the stick. I don't know where they found it or how they found it. I just found it. Ready, Coop? Go! So you can grab that stick. Coop, bring it back. Come on. He's not bringing it back. He likes to chew on it. I'll have to get it for him. Cooper, give it back. Oh, you're eating on that. Hey. Okay, time to throw this over the fence. Did it make it? Yeah. Where's y'all's tennis ball? Ow! I don't like my grass. It's too hard. Come on, Coop. Alright. Let's see here. Where is their tennis ball? I know they have a tennis ball somewhere. Don't know where. Alright, I'm gonna go get a tennis ball for them right now. Stay. 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 Whew. It's hard to get. Stay. Stay. Back. 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 She does not listen. Daisy, outside. Outside. They don't listen. Outside. Okay. I'm gonna go get their tennis ball so they can go and I can just toss it up and I'll hit it. Well, I'll just throw it. I won't hit it, but I'll throw it for them. See, where's the tennis ball? Sorry if it's dark. I'm in my garage. Never turned the slide on. Where'd the tennis balls go? I don't know where the tennis balls went. What the heck? I'm so confused. I swear we put the tennis balls like right over here. Okay, well, they're not over here. So, I don't know what we're gonna do. Alright, well, we'll just go back outside. I couldn't find y'all's tennis ball, guys. I couldn't find y'all's tennis ball. What are you doing? Give it. Wanna play tug of war? Alright. I am stronger than my dog. Whoa! Hey. She almost grabbed my phone. Ready? Go! Oh, hit up there. It's not good. What is this doing out here? Alright, well, looks like we'll just chill with the dogs. And I'm gonna hit my wiffle ball. I don't know where I'll sit my phone. That's the thing. Can I go right here? Here you go. I have to go get it after I hit it. I'll bring y'all with me. What is that? That's gone. I hit a dinger. I can't get that back. That's where the snakes are and stuff. If my brother was here, he'd go grab it, but he's not. And I'm not allowed to hop the fence, so. I don't know what we're gonna do. Daisy Cooper. Hi. Hi. How are you guys? I don't know what I'm gonna do. Daisy, come on. Let's play tug of war. I'm stronger than my dog, but whenever she has the whole thing, I'm not that strong against her. This is one of their favorites. They love this toy. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's like a tug of war toy. Ready? Coop. Look, Cooper loves this toy. Cooper, come here. Come here. Come here, Cooper. Ah! And it's all the way up there. Hi, Cooper. And he just ran all the way over there. It's hot. It's like 90 outside. I don't even know I'm out here. Probably because I need to make YouTube content. I haven't made YouTube in a month. You're not so strong, are you, Daisy? Oh my God. My hands are hurting. But I have to win. She pulled me. She pulled me all the way. So we were all the way over there. She pulled me all the way over here. She's a strong dog. I love my dogs. They're the best. Okay, guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'm tired. My dogs are tired. They've been outside all day. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. It should be down there once you finish the video. And yeah. Bye.